Hi, this is Catherine with Free Tours by Foot. Today we're going to be exploring Grand Central Terminal.
Start on the outside of the building, one of the city's finest Beaux-Arts masterpieces. The clock that you're looking at is the largest piece of Tiffany glass in the world at 13 feet wide. The eagles perched on the corner once adorned Grand Central Station, the predecessor to this current building. Head inside at 42nd Street to enter Vanderbilt Hall. This is named for the family that built and owned Grand Central Terminal, and it used to be used as the main waiting room. Head under the archway into the main concourse. This bustling room sees millions of visitors and commuters every single year. It is a massive space at about 35,000 square feet with a ceiling height of 125 feet. Dead center of the room is the clock. This is an iconic meeting spot for New Yorkers, and it's also rumored to be valued at about $20 million due to the faces being made out of priceless opals. Another standout feature is the star-studded ceiling, but if you know your astronomy, you'll notice it is not an accurate depiction of the night sky. It's actually done backwards. Now look over there towards Cancer the Crab and find the tiny gray smudge. Before a 1990s restoration, the entire ceiling had become coated with tar and was all that gray color. Head out the Vanderbilt Avenue exit and go towards the Campbell Apartment. Despite the name, this beautiful bar was never a residence, but was actually the private office of railroad executive John W. Campbell. Head back inside through the main terminal and head towards the Biltmore Room. This used to be known as the kissing room because here riders could reunite with friends and family at the end of their trip. Along the back wall under the clock is a chalkboard. Before we had automated boards, it was somebody's job to handwrite every single arrival and departure. Now look over there towards tracks 39 and 40. This was the platform for the glamorous 20th Century Limited, a luxury train that ran between New York and Chicago. Don't forget to check out the Whispering Gallery. Secrets can be transferred from corner to corner of this large space using only a whisper. It's located outside of the Oyster Bar, one of the city's most famous restaurants. It opened the day Grand Central opened, February 2nd, 1913, and boasts the city's freshest seafood. Finish up with a stop at the Grand Central Market to check out local favorites like Eli's A-Bar and Murray's Cheese Shop. The surrounding neighborhood also has plenty to offer, like the beautiful Art Deco Chrysler Building and the New York Public Library. That's the end of our tour today, but there's plenty more to know. Check out our free app and you can get a free self-guided tour of Grand Central Terminal, or you can check out our Pay What You Want public tour of Grand Central. See you soon!